Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. This channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related video post on this channel. If you like the channel videos, click to the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. Let's go to video. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a heat map with value in Excel software. So this is a data set for the creating the heat map with value in Excel software. We take the 15 different state and the past year the January to December the collected the weather parameters. So this is for the temperature in weather parameters. Now created in the heat map. So the select the data only, the temperature data only selected, and go to the conditional formatting options and select the scale color. So go to the scale color and go to the more rules or different colors available in the taskbar. So this is for the color. So the different color for the 12 colors available. If you want the customized the heat map color, go to the more rules. So the open the new formatting options and go to the format style options, change to the 2 color scale to 3 color scale. So this is a 3 color scale and change to the value for the lowest value and percentage and the highest value the no changes. So the only change to the color for coloring options. So the lowest value color change to the light blue or green. So the lowest value is selected to the green color and the middle value is changed to the white color and the highest value changed to the red color. So then click the OK button. Now the created the heat map in the color with values. So this is the highest the color in red color for the highest temperature percentage because the June July month and the May June July the 3 month and the highest temperature percent in the state 10 9 and 8 and 7 and 4 and 1 those state also the highest temperature percent in the May June July and the lowest very lowest temperature percent in the 16.3 degree for the state 11 at the December month and the white also the middle temperature. So the 26 and 25 and 27 and also the middle temperature the 24 also the middle temperature and the lowest temperature also the 16 17 18 the highest the lowest temperature percent in the state 11 and highest temperature percent in the state 10 the state 10 is a 7 month and also the August 8 month also the highest temperature percentage above the 30 degree the state 10 and the lowest state level is present in the lowest temperature the green and white color. So the this is if create a heat map method and if you change to the any other color select the same the data for temperature and go to the conditional formatting options and go to the color scale options and go to the more rules and the now the also the first used for the 3 color now choose for the 2 color scales. So this is a 2 color scale the lowest value for the green and the highest value for red. So the only selected for the 2 colors. So then click the OK button. So this is a 2 color, they are very clearly visible in the 2 color heat map. So the red and the greens green, the red also the dark red color the highest percentage, this also the dark red color in the highest temperature and those also the green color is a lowest temperature percentage. If you on another color change select the same cell, go to the formatting options and go to the 12 different colors available for the standard. So this is the first one color the green yellow and red color, the second one for the red yellow and the green colors, then third one for the green white and red colors. So the fourth one the red white and the green colors and the fifth the blue white and the red colors also the different color and also this is green and yellow for the 2 color format. So this is only the those are the 2 color Then 6 is a 2 color and 6 is a 3 color scales available, and more rules also the customized color for the heat map. So this is one of the method in the creating the heat map for the access software with the labels. So labels mean the value. So this is for the heat map. If you want to create the outer lines, so the creately visible for the single cell border, before go to the view options and unclick for the guidelines and select the data, go to the home and formatting options and more rule options, change to the 3 color, change to the green and red. This is one color, or change go to the table options and go to the fill the all the borders. So select the border color. Is a simple method created in the border for the heat map in the Excel software. So this is for the creating method for the heat map with the value in Excel software. If you like this video, click to the subscription buttons. If you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you for watching this video.